The Idea ITA Awards 2008 have become the benchmark for excellence in television. It has gathered tremendous response and participation from the TV fraternity, and the award ceremony has always been awash with the who's who of television and films. This year the awards have received upwards of 3,000 entries in various categories from the production houses, which is well and truly historic. Thus, a post-success party was held where the TV fraternity showed up in full force underneath one umbrella.
क्या है मैं किसी को भी देखती हूँ, अपने करीब दोस्त को देखती हूँ, मैं बहुत खुश हो जाती हूँ। पार्टी में आने का ये मतलब है कि हम अपने दोस्तों से मिले, अपने जाने पहचाने लोगों से मिले, और कई लोग हैं जो हम नहीं जानती हैं, जिनसे मुलाकात होती है पार्टीज में। हमने अवार्ड तो हो गई है, अवार्ड फंक्शन हो गई है, ये तो आफ्टर पार्टी है। फंक्शन जो था बहुत ही अच्छा था, मजेदार फंक्शन था, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली डेकोरेटेड स्टेज था। अनु रंजन, शशि रंजन जी जो है हमेशा बहुत अच्छा अवार्ड्स फंक्शन जो है प्रस्तुत करते हैं। इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर बीइंग देयर, एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर हु नोज, आई माइट जस्ट बी विनिंग एन अवार्ड, वॉच आउट।
You know, when the very first ITA awards were held, I hosted the event. I was a presenter because that's what I like doing, and I've been a well-wisher of the ITA Awards from day one. And as far as I'm concerned, I think it's a wonderful award, and I think it's grown with importance over the years, and I'm very proud of their achievements. That depends on whether they ask me to do it again or not. I've always wished them well. I do host corporate events, national events, international events. That's what I do. Yeah, they know I'm always willing, and but sometimes they want to use younger people. Sometimes they want to use just younger energies, young men, young women, and sometimes they want it more dignified and more thoughtful. So depends what they want in which year.
Haji, what's your take on that? I personally couldn't, attend the function because frankly I was shooting for Dancing Queen. So I was very busy. But yes, I'm glad I made it here. So then at least I can meet Anu and Shashi and, congratulate them on their success.
I think it's wonderful. Shashi and Anu Ranjan are such warm-hearted people, and they tend to bring a lot of warmth, care, passion into anything they do. That's I'm very happy to be associated with them first as friends and then as a performer. और मैं उनको कहती हूँ जब कभी भी they need my services as a singer, as a friend, I'm always there for them.
I think ये एक बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है आइटा के लिए, क्योंकि आज जिस तरह से स्मॉल स्क्रीन डेवलप हो रही है, स्मॉल स्क्रीन बड़ी होती जा रही है, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि एक इंस्पिरेशन मिले उनको, एक अच्छा काम करने के लिए कुछ हेल्प मिले। आई थिंक आइटा वही कर रहा है, और अच्छा काम करने के लिए और इंस्पायर करने के लिए टीवी एक्टर्स को, एक्ट्रेसेस को, ये बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है। आई थिंक
Well, ITA Awards, no doubt, is the biggest award, in the television industry, and I really don't have to say anything to prove that it is the best. It is the best. There is no doubt about it. The awards are very, very genuine.
बहुत ही अच्छा है, और मैं बहुत शुभकामना देना चाहता हूँ शशि जी, अनु जी को, और बहुत ही अच्छा था फंक्शन, जो हर क्षेत्र के लिए अवार्ड देते हैं। आई थिंक इट्स द फर्स्ट अवार्ड।
Every award which honors talent and achievements should be taken seriously. So whether it's the ITA award or any other television award, I think they're all very good, and they all create a platform for people like us to come together and share our success and discuss the future. I think it's fantastic.